Hey kinfolk, today we're making Hawaiian roll French toast. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need Hawaiian rolls, butter, eggs, milk, heavy whipping cream, granulated sugar, powdered sugar, cinnamon, salt, and vanilla. Start by making a custard. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together until well combined. Next, take your Hawaiian rolls and fully coat them in the custard. Heat a skillet over medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Place the rolls in a skillet and toast them on each side until they're golden brown. Once they're done, dust with powdered sugar and drizzle syrup over the top. And there you have it, Hawaiian roll French toast. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.